In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Google Drive storage. If you use Google Drive to save documents, photos, videos, or shared files, it's a good idea to keep an eye on how much storage you have left. Checking your storage regularly can help you avoid running out of space unexpectedly, especially if you rely on Google services for work, school, or personal use. The good news is that Google makes this very easy to do, and it only takes a moment. To get started, go to your Google Drive home. You can do this by opening Google Drive in your web browser and making sure you're on the main Drive page. This is the area where you normally see your files, folders, and navigation options. If you're already signed into your Google account, your Drive home should load right away. If not, simply sign in first and then continue to the main Drive screen. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, look over to the left-hand column. This side panel contains the main navigation options for your accounts, such as My Drive and other sections related to your files. In that same left-hand menu, find the option labeled Storage and click on it. When you select Storage, Google Drive will take you to the storage view where you can see information about your used space. This section helps you understand how much of your available storage has already been used and gives you a clearer picture of whether you may need to free up space soon. It's also a useful place to review larger files, since storage is often taken up by items like videos, high-resolution images, and large shared documents. If your storage is getting close to full, this is a good time to consider cleaning up files you no longer need. You may want to review older uploads, duplicate files, or large items that are taking up the most room. Even if you're not full yet, checking this section from time to time is a smart habit, especially if you use Google Drive often. And that's all it takes to check your Google Drive storage. Just open your Google Drive home, click Storage in the left-hand column, and review your current usage. It's a quick and simple way to stay organized and make sure you always have enough space for the files that matter most.